Microsoft Teams is a communication tool available in Office 365 Productivity Suite. With Microsoft Teams, you can create different teams and channels under those teams for upcoming projects or events in your organization. You can store all your work-related documents in your Teams channel and can collaborate on those documents with other team members also. As new updates have been rolling out in Microsoft Teams, now you can use various commands like places, latest news, and can also perform Wikipedia search within your Teams channel itself just by typing @ in the new search bar. As it might happen that while communicating with your team members, you want to publish some article links for your team members. In this situation, you tend to go to your browser and then search for a particular topic or article you want to search for. This is quite a lengthy and time-consuming task. So, this new search interface, which is available in Microsoft Teams, has now sorted this issue by including Wikipedia search with your Teams channel. So watch this video to learn how this can be done. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can include a Wikipedia search in your Teams channel. Now, in this video, I'll show you another way through which you can perform Wikipedia search in your Teams channel. So watch this video to learn how this can be done. For this, open your Microsoft Teams application. Once it will open, you will be able to see all the teams and channels of which you are a part of. Right now, I have opened the desktop application of Microsoft Teams. You can use the web application of Microsoft Teams as well. I have opened this channel named as Project Everest, which is there under this team, Foetron Cloud Production. I can see all the conversation done in this channel over here. As I want to include Wikipedia search in this channel, for this I'll click on this more options icon which is there at the bottom of my conversation area. After I clicked on it, I'll be able to see these options over here like news, places, Wikipedia search, stocks and weather. From this option news, you can get updates on latest news. From this option places, you can get information on different places. From this option Wikipedia search, you can perform any Wikipedia search, like suppose you want to search for an article or some other search, you can perform it from this option. From this option stocks, you will be able to get the real-time stock codes. And lastly this, weather report. From this option you can get the latest weather reports. These options will appear over here once these are installed as an add-on, otherwise they are activated by default with your teams and channels. So I'll click on this option Wikipedia search. As soon as I clicked over here, I'll write the term for which I want to search. So I've written here Microsoft Forms. I'll select this article. After selecting it, I'll just click on this option send to send it in my conversation area. So you can see it will pin in my Teams channel like this over here. All the team members will be able to access it from here easily.